Welcome viewers back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to check out some new functionality of the Welcome app and Endeavour OS. So if you want to browse all the Arch packages in Endeavour OS, or if you want to browse all AUR packages that are available in Endeavour OS, you have to open up the Welcome app, select the Assistant tab, and here you have to click on the Browse All Arch Packages. So it will open up the web page. You can see it here. It is the Arch Linux web page where you can browse through all the packages that are available in the Arch repositories, and you have to select the architecture from here, any or the AMD 64. In repositories, there are some repositories like core testing, extra testing, KD unstable, multilib testing, and testing. So you have to use the repositories. For example, if I click on the core repository, and then you have to search the packages even with keywords, or you can name the package maintainer's name. So here are the different package maintainers, or you can select flagged or non-flagged or all packages, and then you have to just hit on the search button. So it will return you all the packages that are available in the core repository, just like you have to do for other repositories. And also you can filter through the maintainer's name, or flagged or unflagged packages, and the architecture for different architectures also you can use it to filter out. So here you can see. So similarly, for the AUR packages, you have to click here, browse all AUR packages, and you can see it here. So here in AUR packages, you can filter by name, package base, exact name, exact package base, keywords, maintainer, co-maintainer, maintainer, co-maintainer, and the submitter. And you can also filter by flag, non-flag, filter by popularity, sort by ascending, descending, number of packages shown on the screen per page, and orphan packages also you can search. So this is the functionality of this AUR package list. So it is available on the aur.archlinux.org. So both these functionalities is very essential for the end user to search the package of his choice. Suppose you want to see whether the DaVinci Resolve is there in Arch Linux or not. What you have to do is, say example, let us find it. Let us try to find it in AUR. Let us see what happens. So you can see here the DaVinci Resolve Studio is available in AUR. Beta Studio is also available, and a stable version is also available. So you can select. So this is the strength of Arch Linux. Lot of packages are there. You will not even imagine those packages are also there in the AUR repositories, or they might be even there in the Pacman. Pacman is also very big repository. So with this, I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.